Hey there, fellow QuickBooks users. Welcome back to our tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to post payments in QuickBooks Online for 2025. If you're a small business owner, accountant, or just getting started with financial management, this step-by-step guide will help you handle payments smoothly and avoid common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First things first, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're on the dashboard. It's your starting point for all financial tasks. Once you're in, navigate to the Sales menu or use the search bar to find Receive Payment. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Select Receive Payment and choose the customer from your list. Double-check that you're picking the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Next, enter the payment details, include the amount, date, and payment method, like cash, check, or credit card. QuickBooks makes this easy with drop-down options. Step 2. If the payment is linked to a specific invoice, apply it there. Just click on the invoice and match the payment amount. This ensures your records stay accurate and up to date. Don't forget to add any reference numbers, like a check number, for better tracking. Step 3. Review everything carefully. QuickBooks will show a summary. Check for errors before you hit Save and Close. This step is crucial to prevent future headaches during tax season or audits. Finally, once it's saved, you can view the updated customer balance or run a report to confirm. Pro tip: always reconcile your accounts regularly to keep things balanced. That's it for posting payments in QuickBooks Online 2025. This process is straightforward and will save you time in the long run. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.